Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're making a very crispy, crunchy avocado chickpea tostada. It's mashed chickpeas with avocado on top of a crunchy tostada shell with a little cabbage salad on top. I know another chickpea recipe, but I promise this one's really good. So we're gonna start with the tostada shells. So we've got 100% corn tortillas. The oven is at 400 degrees, and we're gonna lay some of these babies out on a sheet tray. These are gonna get brushed with a little extra virgin olive oil. I just like to do a drizzle first and then kind of brush it on there to even it out. You wanna salt both sides as well. So these are gonna go into the 400-degree oven, and then we're gonna make our mashed chickpea avocado and also our cabbage salad while these are toasted away. Alright, so to make the salad you need 1 can of chickpeas. These are drained and rinsed. Save the liquid that's in this can so you can make this aioli. The recipe's on our Instagram. It's delicious. So, can of chickpeas. Some avocados, just lightly mashed up, chucked in there. Okay, so we've got chickpeas, avocado. This is gonna get a couple tablespoons of this vegan aioli. Bit of hot sauce, about a teaspoon, whatever hot sauce you have, Cholula, Tapatio. If you've got some leftover Taco Bell packets, that's cool too. You can even throw in a bit of leftover salsa if you have it in the fridge. Pinch of salt. That's essentially it. We're just gonna mash this up with a wooden spoon. Okay, so the chickpeas, the avocado, the aioli, and the hot sauce, salt, they're all sufficiently smashed. Still got some big chickpeas in there. Nice chunks of avocado. This is gonna hit the fridge. We're gonna make that cabbage salad. Okay, so now we're gonna make the cabbage salad that's gonna go on top of the tostada. It's just 1 small head of cabbage. You can use green cabbage, Savoy cabbage, or Napa cabbage. Probably about a half of a head. This is a really small head. We're just gonna cut it really thin. We're gonna add the juice of 2 limes, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of chili powder. You can use taco seasoning if you don't have chili powder. Always, always, always pinch of salt. This is also gonna get about half of a red onion sliced really thin. And this lime juice is gonna kind of help break down that onion and make it not so intense. Okay, so about 10 minutes in, I'm starting to smell the tortillas. We're gonna take a look, see how they're feeling. They're probably still soft in the center. What we're gonna do is we're gonna flip them and let them continue to toast in the oven until they're nice and crispy. All right, so these little babies have been toasting for about 20 minutes. They're nice and crispy. They aren't soft in the middle anymore, and they're starting to get some color. They look great. So to make these, we're going to take 1 of the tostada shells, bit of this smashed avocado, and chickpea. Chuck it onto the plate, bit of this cabbage slaw, and some fresh torn cilantro. And that's it. Cheers.